welcome to another episode of Amanda's Kitchen. Today I'm just dropping in to show you, if you don't know already, but I'm sure you probably do, but there's some that probably don't, how to do a smoothie. So in my blender I have 2 cups of peach juice. So that's the canned peach. So all I did was remove the peaches and use the juice from the can. All right, and I have some pineapples, I have some cantaloupe, and I have some papaya. You can add whatever fruits you want. You can do strawberries, you can do bananas, whatever type of fruit that you have. Yeah, you can turn it into a smoothie. Unfortunately I don't have a banana right now, but I would love to. But since I don't, we gotta, pretend like we do. All right, so as I said, we have 2 cups of peach juice in here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add my pineapples. I'm gonna leave maybe a slice of pineapple to decorate the glass. Remember when you're in high school and you learn how to sugar the brim of the glass, make it all fancy and put on your pineapples and your cherries? Yes, we're gonna do that today. All right, so we leave in 1 pineapple. Then we're going in with our cantaloupes and papaya. Yep. If you want to add some syrup to this, you can. If you want natural sweeteners or no sweetener at all, you can just use plain old water or coconut water. All right, so my fruits are in. Ooh, 1 slip through the cracks. I'm gonna go ahead and add some ice cubes. You can use frozen fruits. Of course, if you're using frozen fruits, you don't necessarily need all this ice. Last one there. I'm gonna go ahead, put on my cap, and then I'm gonna blend. So you're gonna blend for about 1.5 minutes. Of course, not consistently, because you'll mash up. Can I say mash up? Yeah, your blender will stop working. So I stopped it again. I'm gonna go ahead and start again in a few seconds or so. And I'm gonna go again. So everything is all blended, so we're good with that. All right, so as it relates to the sugaring of the glasses, now I have some lemon juice here. I'm just gonna go ahead and just wet the rim of the glass with the lime juice. Drain off the excess. And do my other glass. And then I'm going to use my sugar. All right. Right, I think that's it. Yeah, so both are sugared. And then I'm gonna do my pineapple slice. I'm gonna cut this in two. And just slit right here. And slit right here. And do my cherries as well. Just a little slit. And a little slit. Alright, so I'm just gonna move my glasses a little closer up off my blender top and pour. And the other one. Then I'm gonna pop on my pineapples. And my cherries. Ooh. 1 second. My other cherry. And there you have it. Fruit smoothie in Amanda's kitchen. Yeah. 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 You should try this. Alright, so as I said, you can use whatever smoothie you have. If you want to detox, you could use green vegetables, string bean, pak choy, whatever vegetables, kale, spinach, callaloo, whatever green vegetables you have to detox with some coconut water or the good old water itself. Alright, otherwise, smoothies are good too. If you want to lose some weight or you just want to get something light, and as I said, you can use whatever fruits you want, whatever fruits you have available, whether frozen or fresh. And that's it for today on Amanda's Kitchen. Thank you so much for joining, and until next time, walk good, take care, blessings.
Magazine, highlighting Christian people, adventures, journeys, and elegance. What's your story?
You're locked in with Dexter Johnson, and this is Gospel Deets, and we are bringing the hottest deets to the streets. Gospel Deets, Gospel Deets, Gospel Deets, Gospel Deets, bringing the gospel to the streets, yeah, yeah. Bringing the gospel to the streets, yeah.